Hello everyone, it's me Khurram here for you. In this video, I'm gonna let you know how you can make the face mask at your home to get rid of this oiliness from the skin. If you are having the oily skin, then this mask could be helpful for you. So guys, to making the mask, I'm going to start this video, and here I'm going to divide this video in a 3 portion. The first part, it would be related to the benefits of the ingredients, and the second part, it would be related to the ingredients with the quantity, and our third and last portion, it would be related to the procedure, where I will let you know how to make this mask and how to apply on your skin. So guys, now we are going to start our video. Here now I'm going to let you know about the benefits of the ingredients. This mask can be used as a natural exfoliating scrub. For the oily skin, the mask uses gram flour that helps slough off dead skin cells, accumulated oil and grime from the pores. The turmeric adds antibacterial and antiseptic properties to the mask and also helps take away tanning. The milk containing lactic acid acts as a cleanser, and the lemon helps control oil secretion. These were some benefits of the ingredients what I have already shared with you. Now we are going to our second part of the video, where I will let you know about the ingredients and the quantity what we have needed for this mask. So guys, for this mask we have needed only 4 ingredients. Number 1, we have needed the gram flour. Number 2, we have needed the milk. Number 3, we have needed the turmeric, and number 4, we have needed the lemon juice. So guys, these were the ingredients what we have needed. Now for the quantity, go on the whiteboard where I will let you know what quantity we have needed. Our first ingredients, gram flour, we have needed 2 tablespoons. And our second ingredients, milk, we have needed 1/4 cup. And our third ingredients, turmeric powder, we have needed the half teaspoon. And our last and fourth ingredients, lemon juice, we have needed half teaspoon. So guys, that was our second part of the video where I will share with you the ingredients and the quantity. Now we are going to our last part of the video where I will share with you the procedure, how to make it and how to apply on your skin. This is 2-step method, and the step 1 is mix gram flour, turmeric, milk and lemon juice. So guys, now I'm going to let you know what we have to do for this step 1. Number 1, put 2 tablespoons of the gram flour in a bowl. Number 2, add half teaspoon of turmeric powder to the flour. Number 3, pour 1/4 cup of milk and mix all the ingredients well. Number 4, finish by adding half teaspoon of the lemon juice to the mix. And number 5, use a hand blender to get a lump-free paste. So guys, that was our step 1. Now we are going to our step 2, and step 2 is apply the lemon turmeric face mask once a week. So guys, now I'm going to let you know what we have to do in this step 2. Number 1, apply the face pack evenly all over your face. Number 2, let the pack work on your face for a good 10 minutes. Number 3, rinse it off with the water and apply a non-comedogenic moisturizer. So guys, that was the simple and the easiest way to make this mask at home if you want to get rid of this oiliness from your skin. So guys, here I want to add one thing. You may use this mask once a week to have a better result. And second, that was the video for today. Next time I will come with some other useful solutions. Till that time, take care.